In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add invitation card style cover pages to your Microsoft Forms. If you're looking to make your forms visually appealing and engaging, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step so that your forms can stand out and convey the right message even before anyone starts to fill them out. To begin, head over to Microsoft Forms by accessing your account and locating the form you wish to customize. Once you've found your form, go ahead and open it. The goal here is to make your form look inviting, and for that we'll need to tap into some styling features. In the top right corner you'll see the style option. Give that a click. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to personalize your form. As you explore the style options, you'll find an array of suggested styles and cover page designs. These are pre-designed layouts that you can easily apply to your form. However, if you're feeling creative or want something unique, click on the plus icon. This will allow you to select a more customized theme, giving you full control over the aesthetics of your form. Once you've picked the style, it's important to fill in the heading and description for your cover page. This step is crucial because it clearly communicates the purpose of your form to your audience. Craft a brief and meaningful title and add a description if needed to provide context for what the form is all about. Next, we want our form to leap off the page, and for that an image can be incredibly effective. You have several options for inserting an image. Whether it's from Bing, OneDrive, or directly from your computer or device, simply select the Insert Image icon to add a visual element to your cover page. Choose an image that aligns with your form's theme or purpose, as this will enhance the overall impact. Now, before sharing your form, it's a good idea to see exactly what your responders will experience. Use the preview feature to take a look at the finalized form. This allows you to catch any last minute adjustments and ensure that everything looks just as you'd imagined. Finally, once you're satisfied with the design and layout of your cover page, be sure to save your form. With everything in place, your form is ready to be shared with your intended audience. Copy the link and distribute it through your preferred channels, knowing you've created a polished and professional looking form. And there you have it, you've successfully added a customized invitation card cover page to your Microsoft Forms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in boosting the effectiveness of your forms.